so much to explore. It is January 2023. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful bringing in of the new year. I'm only now getting to my pathetic garden. I used to garden on the other side of the yard, but this tree is just overgrown so much that it's put a lot of shade in it. So we just got rid of 5 trees. I really don't know what I'm going to do this year, but every year I plant something. And we've had such a mild winter that I knew I can get away with cleaning them later. So that's what I'm doing right now. So every year I go through this phase of, do I want to put up a large garden? Do I not want to? I guess it's just, I struggle with it because it's the weeds, and I know everybody struggles with that part, but I tell you, sometimes I pass by other people's gardens and it looks like they don't struggle with weeds at all. It's almost as if a weed's never been in their garden ever. And I would love to have a garden like that, but just with raising kids and homeschooling and all that other stuff and doing YouTube part-time, I just find it hard to keep up with, hi babies, to keep up with a garden and make it look immaculate like that. Do you all struggle with that? Or tell me some tips to help keep weeds out. I mean, I could still grow stuff and then it, overall turns out okay. But I feel like it has to look perfect. And if it's not, then I feel like I failed at it and it gives me anxiety. Because then I look at it and I'm like, wow, I'm not doing the best job with my garden. It's just so overgrown. So I don't know. I need some encouragement in that area. So if you have any, by all means, definitely pass it along. Because I really do love to garden. I love to plant. It's just healing for me. It's a lot of fun, planting some things for fun and then planting some, obviously things that we eat. I'm still a newbie at it, still learning. I think I've done pretty well with the canning part, but I need to learn more about, gardening. 'Cause every year it's something different to tackle, I tell you, right? And now we have you. What do you think? Huh? Do you know how to keep weeds away? It's not going to happen, right? You're so pretty. Say hi. Say hi, so pretty. I think my daughter just abandoned me with the puppy. Oh, are you okay? Oh my goodness. All right, well, this is a really short video, but definitely wanted to pop in again and let you know what's going on here. Really simple. We had a storm and it blew down my little barn door. So we've got some work to do here this spring. Let me know, what do you all do? What do you do for planning your gardens? Do you make a list? Are you really accurate? I know that I try to plant seeds, see how they do, and then I kind of keep track of that. But what do you do? And yeah, if you have any advice on the whole garden expectations, definitely let me know. And as always, take care and God bless.